welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I appreciate every comment, every like, and every single subscriber. It means everything to me. Grab your coffee and let's get into today's video. Alright, so for this Mother's Day, I decided to do something a little bit different. So I normally don't do this, but this year I decided to make some baskets, and I'm having a little get together at my house the day before Mother's Day. So that's the plan. I'm making birria. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna make tacos outside. I'm gonna make birria, we'll consume it, and the tacos outside. That is the plan. Also, so I am going to make 4 baskets for my mother-in-law, my mom, of course, my grandma, and my best friend. And I'm making a 5th one for my grandpa because we are also celebrating his birthday. So if you want to see what I ended up getting and what I'm putting in there, just keep on watching. All right, so I'm gonna start out by showing you guys kind of what I got and what I'm working with first. So I did pick up these baskets from Dollar Tree, 4 pink ones, and then of course the gray one for my grandpa. So I actually only got 2 balloons as soon as these came out at Dollar Tree. So I got 2 balloons, one's for my mom, one's for my mother-in-law. And then I got this sweater for my grandma. It is a size medium, but it is pretty big. So I got her a sweater. Hopefully it fits and she likes it. So I got these Crocs for my best friend. I got coffee for my mom and my grandma because they love coffee. I got my mom a Helix from Jujube, which you guys will see right now what it really looks like. I got my mother-in-law a mini BFF in this really pretty print. It looks so much like something my mother-in-law would absolutely love. I got this to go inside my mom's, which I'm thinking I might put this just in front of all of them, just to kind of be like a really cute, I guess you could say, display. I did get my mom a card. I got some of these for skincare, so I got 2 rollers and 2 of these, oh, I have it backwards. Jade ones for right here. Skincare is key. And then I got my mom a jumbo large word finds. She loves these, so I got her one of those. And then I got them, so my grandma and my mother-in-law actually both love these from Bath and Body Works. So I got these when they had like a sale. So I got these for them. It's gonna be 2 and 2. And then for my mom, has really bad anxiety, so I got her the stress one, which I've given her these before. So I got her those. And then also for my best friend, I got her a milk lip balm just so that she can hydrate her lips. And she's kissing babies all day, so I know she does not want to get lipstick on the baby. And then again, VERO, Crafts by VERO. I will link her down below and on Instagram and on Facebook. She actually made these for me, so they're for jewelry. So I asked, if you guys didn't see my Easter one, she made the Easter bunnies with the babies' names on it, but I actually had her make these. So Abuelita, this is for my grandma, Nana is for my mom. So be a little bit more personalized. That is for my mother-in-law, and then for my best friend. So yeah, so we have those for them. And then for my grandpa, I kept it very simple. I just got him a really warm sweater, and then I got him a really cute Timberland wallet. All right, so let's go ahead and bag all this stuff up. All right, so I kind of set everything up, and I changed my mind because since I got my mom card and that, I'm gonna give my best friend those 2. So all right, I'm gonna actually do my grandpa's first though.
So as you guys saw, my grandpa's is super simple, a sweater and a wallet. All right, now I'm doing my best friend's, and I decided to do a little bit of blue since she is a boy mom. Gonna go ahead and put in the Crocs and her little jewel stones and her jewelry box, and that is hers. All right, now I'm stuffing my mother-in-law's, and I just wanted to show you guys, when I do these baskets, I don't always get it the first time. I keep going and just move things around until I actually really like it. And also I noticed I didn't really like the angle, so I changed the angle of the video. This angle is so much better. I don't know why I didn't try this in the first place.
All right, so that is my mother-in-law's. I think it looks pretty cute. All right, now since my grandma actually has clothes, I am going to put that in the bottom. All right, right, okay. Now let's go ahead and just throw these in there. See, it makes it a lot easier when it's like fluffy already. There we go. There, hers was like the easiest thing ever. Should get everybody close and just make it so much easier. All right, last but not least, my mom's.
And honestly, I loved my mom's the most. It just kind of, I feel like it all looked really good together.
And then, no one stacks up to you, Mom. And then I wrote her a little something. But yeah, it's such a cute note. All right, and that goes right there. All right, so this is my father-in-law's, my mother-in-law's. I feel like I want to get more balloons now. This is my grandma's and my mom's. Of course, that was a little extra for my mom, right? And then my best friend's. I ended up running to Dollar Tree and I got a happy birthday balloon for my grandpa. 2 more balloons. My husband got his mom his card, and I ended up getting some, what are these even called? Highlighters for my mom's, since she has the word puzzle. And then my grandma actually really likes coloring, so I got those for her, and then I got her a card as well.
All right, guys, and this is the final look of how the baskets came out. I absolutely love them. I hope they love them, and I'm so excited to give it to them.
I just want to say happy Mother's Day to you guys who are moms. You guys are killing it. You're doing the best you can, which is all that matters. Always be proud of everything you do every single day. And I know it's hard, but we got this together. Guys, that is it for today's video. I had to, run to the dollar store and really fill it out to my liking. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.